Morons Hawks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hacks, and in today's video I will make you a passenger in this E38 730 diesel. So let's go guys, are you excited? Being a passenger in this executive 7 Series. Let's go, let's put you inside. I will put you inside. Come on, you passenger, go. Okay guy, you will sit here. Do you like this seat? It's nice. You even have some control, but you will not use them because you can break them. Okay passenger, I think you feel comfortable now, am I right? Okay, I will put your seat belt so that you feel really safe in the car. Okay, what's up passenger, how do you feel today? Have you been through COVID already or no? Okay, let's start it up. It's 7 Series. I'll put my seat belt on and I'll drive with my passenger. Let's put on direct, turn the lights on. Let's go. In this city, passenger POV. Oh. I'll use the wipers. Let's go to the back. Don't worry, it's just the sensor that's not working. Well, I fucked up your view, but sorry passenger. Let's be careful because this is a long car. We should be careful. Are you filming, you passenger? Okay passenger, hold on, this is the 7 Series. Hold on. Yeah, I'll put on sport to be more responsive. The gearbox is a little bit lazy, this gearbox, for today's standards. I know passenger, it's not the best window you can have, it's not the best view, but that's it. Sorry passenger. I hope you feel well comfortable inside this 7 Series. It's 730 diesel, it's pre-facelift, so it's 184 horsepower. It has some extras here. Oh, are your ass cold, brother? Your passenger, are your ass cold? I can switch you the heating. Oh, your ass get burned. I'll lower it to first. I'll lower it down to first mode. Now your ass is hot, right? Okay, I'll turn it off for you, don't worry. Just tell me if you need something. If you need some more air, I'll push it. Just tell me, guy. Why aren't you talking? Are you a ghost? How well does it burn? I don't know. Let's see. You are asking me, I'm telling you. It's 12.9 liter in the city. So that's pretty optimistic. I think it's more actually. Maybe around 14, 15 in the city. It depends how you drive on the traffic, but in a busy city it will be more than 12, I think. Outside of the city around 9-10 it's achievable. You know, it's a heavy almost 2-ton car, so it cannot be others. carry you, passenger. Just let me turn the IC because it takes my pedal. What? Passenger? You want to drive? No, passenger, sorry. That option is not supported in this POV passenger drive. Sorry, guy. I have to disappoint you, guy. You just sit here and relax. You don't want your seatbelt. You stay with it. It's my driving, my rules, you know. I hope you're happy now. You want some music? Nah. YouTube doesn't allow monetization of some commercial music, so sorry, guy. You listen to the noise. That's free for you. Oh, and don't skip that ad, please. Like you skip buying Amazon and Google and Apple and just click on every other, okay? Are we okay now? Okay. I'll continue driving. You know how I am meant to drift a 7 Series? Like this, like a boss, like this. Yeah, that's half of the guys having 7 Series drive like that. But it's not very comfortable. It's good to hold with both hands, you know. Passenger, how did you manage to fart like this in my 7 Series? I'll have to clean now the seat. Passenger, I didn't expect this from you. I'm so disappointed. You farted in the 7 Series and it's not even my car. How can you do that? You're disgusting, passenger. It smells like shit, passenger. Smells like shit. Passenger, put your face mask on. Don't remove it. Don't even think of removing your face mask while I'm driving you. You know this is 7 Series. You are far away from me, but we're still in the same place. So put your head masks. I'm just kidding, bro. Leave it only on your nose, like an idiot. Okay guy, I hope your passenger enjoyed, because here you go out. Thank you very much for being with us guys, and you passenger can go out right now out of the car. Thanks guys, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.